Okay, Microsoft released another dev build or canary build to be more specific. 24H2, specifically OS build 26200.5001. This was officially released on 419. I got it installed on 420. Today is 421. And I'm going to share a little bit of my findings with you, as well as some documentation and some news about how you can get 26,200 should you be interested in trying this all out. As you see here, I am on 24H2, 26,200.5001. All right, guys, so 11 forums has a little information on the 26,200 build. As it notes here, the Canary channel is the one that has it. As of today, guys, another note, I am still able to switch between Dev and Canary. A lot of people were speculating that after 26,200, maybe you would not be able to. It's locked down. As of today, I can still switch between Dev and Canary. So just a side note there. All right. So they give a little bit of information as far as changes and improvements. There's some changes to the widgets. I'll leave you guys this link so you can read on it further. I don't want to bore you with reading everything here. A little bit of change when it comes to the taskbar and system tray. Some fixes for known issues. Multiple displays. They fixed an issue where the option to set a different wallpaper on each desktop wasn't working. And then they just go on about some known issues. They do mention some things about Copilot. We are aware of reports by insiders in the Canary dev and beta channels that Copilot is auto-launching unexpectedly after restarting their PCs. I have experienced that as well. Voice access does not work reliably. I don't really use voice access, excuse me. Using Windows Ink to write Copilot will not work. I don't use that either. But I do have a couple gripes about Copilot. It seems like it's broken, even worse than in the previous 26,100 build. So again, I'm going to give you guys this link so you can go ahead and read up on this. But I also wanted to point out the fact that UUP dump does not yet have an ISO out there for it. It listed here 26,200. GE release, or I'm sorry, GE preview, but there's nothing to download. So they're usually a few days behind. I think they have to package all this stuff up and get it all working. So if you do want to get it today, you would have to be part of the insider program and then upgrade from whatever version you're currently on. One thing to note as well down here in the bottom right, the watermark is back. So this was gone in 26,100. Microsoft did talk about bringing it back. They were not bluffing. It is now back. Not a huge deal, but just something to note there. All right, guys, so let's look at Copilot. This is the reason I wanted to make this, to show you that, for one, the hover feature is still not working. I have not seen this working in any build that I've been on so far. I've seen people's videos where it's working for them. It has not worked for me. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, and theoretically, if I hover over Copilot, I'm supposed to get some options here about images. Same thing if you copy text to the clipboard. So if I copy a bunch of text and if I hover over Copilot, again, I'm not getting anything. So that is still not working. I've been asking the community, have you guys experienced the same thing? I'm curious, is this just me? At first I thought maybe it was a virtual machine thing because I am running these dev builds in a virtual machine. But I did put this on a physical piece of hardware as well, and I got the same result. So I don't think it's just a VM thing. All right, so the next thing I want to show you guys is another issue with Copilot. Okay, you see how they have this side-by-side view for the chats and plugins and then your normal Copilot environment here? You could turn that off. I think it's kind of cool though. You can go to Designer and you can go to Copilot. However, I noticed a little bug here, at least for me. When I stretch this out, look at this. Nothing over here on this side works at all. It's completely unresponsive. This side still works, but the right side of the side-by-side pane is not working at all. So if you stretch this out all the way, guys, you're going to break the right side. So that's got to be a bug. I just wanted to point that out. If I go back a little, now it works again. One more time. We'll stretch this all the way out. We broke the right side. So I'm assuming this is a bug in 26,200. I'm sure it'll get pointed out, but maybe I'm the first one to at least talk about it. I didn't see that on the 11 forums issue or on the issue list from the 11 forums. So yeah, let me know if you guys are having the same issue when you get to 26,200. All right. I know there was a lot of speculation about 26,100, 24H2 being that last update before the RTM or the release to manufacturers, but it looks like they're still working out some bugs and doing a couple little feature adds here and there. So I don't think it'll be much longer, but obviously they've still got a little work to do. Just noticing the bug that I talked about here. I don't think they're going to release to manufacturer with this not functioning correctly. And also the hover feature. This is one that unfortunately I was really looking forward to testing out. I thought it was really cool. Copy something to your clipboard and then boom, you automatically get Copilot talking about, hey, I can do this and that with what you have on your clipboard. I thought that was really handy. However, it's not so handy when it doesn't work. All right, guys, let me know if you're on 26,200. Let me know if you're planning to go to it. If you have upgraded to 26,200, what are you noticing? Are the features that I've shown you working for yourself, or am I the only one having these issues? I highly doubt that, but maybe you've discovered some other issues or Easter eggs or something like that. Let me know, guys. All right, just wanted to get you up to speed on the latest build. Hope you all have a great day. Take care.